Hi, my name is Eka Siti Rahma from R4A class. My last NPM number OT4, and this is my midterm for the English phonology course. And this video, I will pronounce minimal pairs and tongue twister. Then I'll show you explanation about the consonant contrast, how to pronounce, and why GR important the meaning. Part 1, minimal pairs. P versus B. Pat, bat, mop, mop. Pat, pat, mop, mop. In this pair, pat, pat versus bat, bat, and mop, mop versus mop, mop. The difference is voicing. P is voiceless and B is voice, but contrasts are bilabial plosive made using both lips. However, B uses the vocal cords while P does not. This contrast changes the word meaning completely. Pat pat could mean menepuk, while bat pat is kelelawar. Mop mop refers to alat pel, and mop mop means kerumunan orang. In my first language, we often pronounce final b as p, such as adab, pronounced adab, so we might have trouble differentiating mop, mop from mob, mob in English. Versus of fine, vine, leave, leave, fine, vine, leave, leave. In the pair of fine, vine versus vine, fine, and leave versus leave, the contrast is voicing of is voiceless, is voice, but are labiodental fricative produced by touching the lower lip to the upper teeth. The vocal cords vibrate in but not in fine. Vine means baik, while fine vine refers to tanaman merambat. Leaf means daun, while leave means meninggalkan. In Indonesian, of is often replaced with soft fine, and vine might be mispronounced, similarly affecting clarity. Versus zip, zip, buzz, buzz, zip, zip, buzz, buzz. Zip, zip versus zip, zip, and buzz, buzz versus buzz, buzz. Differ only in voicing. S is voiceless, Z is voice. These are alveolar fricative, made by letting air pass between the tongue and the alveolar ridge. As uses the vocal cords. S does not sip, sip means menyesap, while zip, zip can mean resleting. Bass, bass mean dengung. Bus, bus mean angkutan. In Indonesian, we may not contrast s and z strongly, especially at the final position, so bus and buzz might sound similar. Ch versus j. Cho, jo. Match, batch. Cho, jo. Match, batch. Cho, cho versus jo, jo. And match, match versus batch, batch. Contrast a voiceless ch and voice j, both are post-alveolar affricates. They begin as stop and realize as fricative. Ch is voiceless, j is voice. Chu means mengunyah, Jo is orang Yahudi, match is pertandingan, while page is lencana. These sounds do not exist in some Indonesian religion. Dialect such and Jo may be confused in speech. Ke versus ge, coat goat, back bag, coat goat, back bag. In coat goat versus goat goat, and back bag versus bag bag. The distinction is voicing. Ke is voiceless, ge is voice, but are velar stop met by the back of the tongue against the soft palate. Ge activities vocal cords, ke does not. Coat means jacket, goat means kambing, back is punggung or kembali, while bag is tas. In vinyl, ge might be devised to ke, so bag might be misheard as back. Versus t. Din, dan, mouth, smooth. Din, dan, mouth, smooth. Din, din versus dan. Dan, mouth, mouth versus smooth, smooth. Ts is voiceless, ts is voice. Both are dental fricative, made by placing the tongue between the teeth. Voicing distinguishes them. Din means kurus, dan means kemudian, mouth is mulut, smooth is halus. These sounds don't exist in Indonesian. Learners often replace ts with t and ts with the, making this sound like tin and then like den. T versus t. Tan, dan, head, head, tan, dan, head, head. Tan, tan versus dan, dan, and head, head versus head, head. Differ by voicing only. T is voiceless, t is voice, both are alveolar stop. The tongue twists the alveolar ridge to stop airflow. Then tan is 10, dan is sarang, head is topi, head is the past form of have. Indonesian speaks sometimes substitute st with t at the end of word, so head may be heard as head. She versus je. She, genre. Beige, beige. She, genre. Beige, beige. She versus genre. Beige, beige versus beige, beige. Facing is the only difference, both are post-alveolar fricative. Sh is voiceless like she. She is a voice like make sure. She means dia perempuan. Genre means jenis. Bash means pukulan. Beige is a color or cream. Indonesian has sh as in sugar but not sh, so learner may confuse beige with bush. L versus rah, light, right, pull, pour, light, right, pull, pour, light, light versus right, right, pull, pull versus pour, pour. L is lateral, rah is rhotic, L is made by air flowing around the sides of the tongue, rah by curing the tongue tip or bouncing it in middle. Light means cahaya, right is benar or kanan, pull is kolam, pour is miskin. In Indonesian, rah is tapped like Spanish, and o can be replaced in accent, making the contrast hard, especially in final position. Part 2, tongue twister. Tongue twister part 1, ke, cook, could, ke, could, ke, cook, could, ke, could. Ke and ge are minimal pairs that contrast in voicing. Both are velar stop, but ke is voiceless while ke is voiced. This contrast is highlighted in words like cook versus could. Part 2, p, pat, pet, parrot, packet, patter, pinky, b, pet, bat, pig, p, bat, bat, parrot, packet, patter, pinky, b, bat, bat, big. P and b are bilabial plosive that differ in voicing. P is voiceless and b is voiced. This makes them a clear minimal pair in words like pat versus pet. Part 3, shells, sea, seashores, s, she, shell, shells, sea, seashore, s, she, shell. S and sh are both voiceless fricative, but they differ in place of articulation. S is alveolar, while s is voice post-alveolar. This is evident in the contrast between she and she. Thank you for watching. Sorry if there is any wrong pronunciation. Bye.